Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video for your Windows operating PC. And today I'm going to show you how to fix product activation fail in your Microsoft Excel. So without any delays, let's start our video. First of all, go to your This PC option and now go to your C drive, and here you have to go to your program files, and here you can see Microsoft Office option. Click here, and here you can see Office 16. Just go there, and here you can see this option. All you have to do is right click it here, and as you can see, run as administrator option here. Just click here and select yes, and you have to do it 3 times. Do it again here, run as administrator, click yes, and for the third time right click again and select run as administrator, click here and select yes. After doing this 3 times, your problem will be fixed. And this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will catch you guys on the next one.